Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight Technology is done right. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to change your default applications, okay? So if you have a web file and you want it to open in Chrome, but it opens in Microsoft Edge, so yeah, that type of errors, okay, we're going to try to fix that, okay? So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go into your start button, click on that, and then you're going to search on default. Okay, you can see the pop-up has appeared here, default apps. You're going to click enter on that, and you can see here it brings all the default apps. Okay, so this is in my computer. Okay, so if you want to change your web browser, you're going to click on this and you're going to change to the browser you want. Currently mine is on Google Chrome. I want it to be on Google Chrome. If the browser that you want is not here, okay, it's not in this selection, that means that you haven't installed it yet. So go download it, install it, and it should appear here. Okay, so for video player it should be the same. You just click on it and then a lot will pop up. Default it should be on movies and TV, which is recommended by Windows 10. I changed it to VLC media player because it can play almost all of the video formats out there. Okay, so basically that's about it guys. That's on how to change your default apps. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. If you have any other problems or any other questions, please put them down in the comments below, and I think that's about it. So please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.